Hello guys, today we are going to talk about Asterix in America. As you can see, there is Asterix from France 97 and Asterix second edition from Europe from 98. Okay, I'm going to show you all the differences between two series. On left side of the screen will always be a series from France 97 and on the right side of the screen will always be second edition from Europe 98. There is small differences between every figurine in coloring and on markings. And as you can see, figurine in my left hand is a little bit lighter than the other, and series from 97 from France is lighter than series from 98 second edition from Europe. But the most important thing is the markings. So as you can see, markings are on his bottom of his back, and this is bigger than this. At first glance you can see that feathers, this red color here is there is a lot more than on this figurine here. Okay, so with this figurine, feather is the difference in coloring. This is much whiter than this one, this is yellowish. And marking on legs, this is wider than this. With this figurine the same thing is in feather. This is white and this is yellowish, and markings, as you can see, like this, and with this it goes right to his feet. This is from 98, this is from France, so you can see the difference. Same thing, this is white, this is yellowish, and markings, the difference. France, Europe, 97, 98. Asterix, Cauldron, there is a difference. Here, 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 and here. And also the markings. As you can see, from Europe it is a little bit darker. This is from France and this is from Europe. Okay, so with this figurine, difference is on fish. This is lighter color than this. edges are not the same, and with this figurine, France, Europe, eyes are different, and the markings. And color of his hair. This is more yellow, this is more orange. With Asterix, the difference in color. It is not the same. And with Asterix, the difference is in color of his mustache and hair. This is yellow, this is orange, and also in markings. Chief, color is not completely the same, and markings, as you can see, from 97 markings are smaller than from 98. Not with all figurines, but mostly. As you can see, his button here is orange, this is yellow, and markings. This is perfectly parallel, this A and this R, but here it is not, it is diagonal. The difference between this figurine is in his eyes and his mouth. And again, markings. As you can see, the difference is space between here and here. So this figurine is from Europe, this is from France. Again, this color is a little bit lighter, difference in eyes, and again marking. As you can see, again parallel letters, and here are diagonal. France, Europe. This series only have 4 different papers, and the front side of each of them is the same. And that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching and have a nice day.